A mother dog bit her own puppy because she didn't want to be disturbed while eating. The injured puppy ran away and approached a man, frightened and in pain. He gave it milk, then took it home. While bathing the puppy, he discovered its body was covered in wounds, including a hole on its head from the mother's bite. He took it to a veterinarian for treatment. With milk, care, and love, the puppy slowly grew healthy and even learned to shake hands. Leave a like if you're happy to see its recovery.